Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Honda Civic SR. Now of course you do get your LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you then also get these brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Around to the rear we've also got rear parking sensors, along with a reversing camera at the top just here. Into the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. Then out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got a full electric windows all around. Into the front we have your 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see just there. We've then got your climate settings just in the middle, which can be operated via the infotainment display. And then coming up into here now, we've got satellite navigation. We've then got your various audio sources. And then you also get Bluetooth hands-free as well, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built within this infotainment screen. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment and the onboard computer. Over to the right, you've got your adaptive cruise control settings with your lane keep assist, distance control and speed limiter. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this Civic has done 67,229 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.